Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Ensure you have Intune admin rights and devices enrolled in Azure AD. Next, prepare the Win32 installer package and create clear install and uninstall commands so Intune can run them silently. Once done, use the Microsoft Win32 content prep tool to wrap the installer into an Intune Win file. This creates the payload and saves bandwidth. Make sure to also draft detection rules and requirement checks now, so deployment won't fail later during targeted installs. Now in Microsoft Endpoint Manager, create a new Win32 app and upload your Intune Win package. Don't skip naming and description for tracking. Specify the install and uninstall commands exactly as tested, then map return codes so Intune can interpret success or specific remediation actions. Configure detection rules that reliably detect the app presence and set requirement rules like OS version, architecture, and disk space. Finally, establish dependencies and delivery optimization to control bandwidth. This ensures predictable, repeatable installations across your fleet. Assign the app to a pilot group first, then expand using phased rollout. Choose available or required deployment based on urgency. Monitor deployment status in Endpoint Manager and review device logs, and Intune diagnostic reports to confirm installs. If you encounter failures, collect the Intune management extension logs and the Win32 content prep tool output to trace issues. Make sure to check detection rule mismatches and non-standard return codes first. Fixing those usually resolves most failures quickly, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.